Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna be filming a lot more cooking videos here in this kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking vegan cauliflower fried rice. Everything that I'm using is really simple and it tastes really yummy. I actually use arugula as a garnish or on top, but today I just checked my fridge and I didn't have it, so I'm actually gonna use spinach and hopefully it tastes good. I'm sure it will because spinach is delicious. So everything that you need, I have right here. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick. I have it, sorry, by the coffee. You don't need this quinoa, I just have it in here to show you guys that the only grains or like rice that I really eat all the time is quinoa. So we'll get rid of that. So this is the rice vegetable medley that I get from Trader Joe's. It's actually just cauliflower rice that's already made. I'm gonna want to learn in the near future how to actually make cauliflower rice from cauliflower. I will be using this pre-made cauliflower rice mix. And then I have like an old one that I've like eaten half of it. And then I have some green onions here that I will be chopping up and using, and mine is also from Trader Joe's. And then I have the spinach here as a garnish. Usually I use arugula. Hopefully this works out. And then you need some sesame oil. This one I actually just got at the grocery store. You can get it like anywhere. Just go to the Asian section in your grocery store. Also, I'm wearing this band because I am going to Coachella this weekend. And as always, I'm always eating clean and eating very healthy and eating mostly plant-based. So I'm not adding any egg. If you guys want to add egg, that's totally up to you. I also flavor it not with soy sauce, but with this liquid aminos that I get from Trader Joe's as well. It's from the brand Brad, and it tastes like soy sauce, but it is a healthier version. And then if you want to use a little bit of salt and pepper, this one's just like a large one. I don't know why I only have this one. I have another pink Himalayan salt, but I like to use this small refined salt for fried rice. And then a little bit of pepper. This is Trader Joe's ground pepper. So that's all you need, and it's super easy, and I'm gonna make it together with you. So first I'm gonna cut the green onion on the cutting board. Sorry, my shirt is a little booby, but it's just like really comfortable. I really love this like Kukai brand, and I don't know, I love it. Oh, and by the way, I have been doing hot Pilates. So basically the green onions just look like this. You don't have to use all of it. You can use more. You can just have whatever, however you want. I like to put this much because this is like a serving of one. Oh my gosh, so I got a little ahead of myself. So I'm gonna put the heat on to medium heat. And I put a little bit of sesame oil here. I'm probably just gonna add more. I actually like literally went a little too ahead of myself and like put it in before. But I'm gonna actually put it on low because when I put it in last time, it started going. So put a little bit on, and then I'm gonna take like the old pack of cauliflower rice, put that in there. I think I only need this much, but it literally was like just like the bottom portion of it. And then I'm just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of more sesame oil maybe. I don't want it to get like too oily, so that's why I put on just like a little bit. Or put in just a little bit. I don't want it to get too oily, that's why I only put in a little bit at the beginning. And if you want a little bit more, you can add a little bit more. But I actually think it's okay. I know I didn't like measure anything, but I kind of just see it, you know, like how I just with my eye, you know, I just like eye it. So you just kind of go like this for a little bit. It looks so good and I am so hungry. And then you take a little bit of the liquid aminos and you kind of just add it in slowly so it doesn't get too salty, you know? Wow, you can hear that sizzle. And now I'm gonna add the green onions in the mix because I love that flavor, and I'm gonna mix it up. And here you can add like salt and pepper, and if you want to add like sriracha or hot sauce or like chili pepper, whatever you guys like, you can as well. I feel like I don't really want mine too salty, and I already put in the liquid amino, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of pepper. And the final touch, this is where I usually add the arugula, but we're just gonna add a few leaves of spinach to top it off. And we're done. Look how yummy it looks. It literally was so simple, and I made it in like 2 minutes. So if you're super hungry all the time like me, and you rush home and want to eat something after you work out or after you had a long day, this is it, and it's super clean and healthy and yummy. So right now I'm literally just going to edit my Vegas vlog from this past weekend, and then plan for Coachella and try on my outfits. And I'm gonna try this vegan yummy cauliflower rice that I made. If you want to add egg or meat or something, you can. It's just really amazing because there literally is no rice, so like actual like extra carby stuff. Yeah, delicious. And you don't feel guilty after you eat it, you know? So if you guys give this video a thumbs up and it gets to, I don't know, a lot of likes, like a lot, like 500, 1,000 or something, then I'll film the video. All right guys, I love you guys so much. I'm gonna eat this and I gotta go. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and it's so good. I hope you guys make it.